Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. Today we have got a question, and that is write an algorithm flowchart to solve following pair of equations for x and y given the values of a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31 and so on, such that a11x1 plus a12x2 is equals to a13. Okay, and a21x1 plus a22x2 is equals to a23, and we've given with this table which shows the values of a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, x1 and x2 in 4 different cases, such that a case 1, case 2, case 3 and case 4. So we'll start with the case 1. According to Gauss elimination method, converting into argumental matrix. First, in this question, all we need is to convert it into argumental matrix. And when we'll convert it into the argumental matrix, we have to what we have to do? We have to convert it into diagonal matrix using 2.5000 as part. Okay, so we have to convert it into diagonal matrix. Okay, so what we'll get by after getting the values put it in this equation, we'll get this matrix, and then what we have to do, we have to use forward elimination phase, and for that in this case in this phase we'll get the values of x2 and x1. Here 2.5000 x1 plus 5.2000 x2 is equals to 6.2000, and 0.00292 x2 is equals to 0.04952. okay, so we'll get the value of x2, and that is 16.9589 exactly. Or similarly like this, we'll get the value of x2 here. Okay, we'll get the value of x2, and we'll jump on to the next case. In the case 2, we have this matrix, and we have to convert it into firstly in a matrix and then the diagonal matrix. After converting it into a diagonal matrix, we'll use the forward elimination phase, and by this we'll get the values of x2 and x1. When we'll get the value of x2 and x1 in case 2, we'll jump on to case 4. okay, so we have the matrix, we have to convert it into the diagonal matrix after after elimination method. Okay, so and after that we have to use forward elimination phase. After in this case phase, we'll get the values of x2 and x1 again, and after this we have to conclude that what is the difference between the values. Okay, so in case 1, the values are x1 is equals to minus 32.799451, x2 is equals to 16.9589. okay, so we have to check with the case 2. okay, so in case 2, the values of x1 is equals to minus 23.7959 and x2 is equals to 16.632565. so we can conclude that when the values of a22 is changed by 0.0001, then the result displays a big change in their x1 and x2 values. okay, but in case 3, the values are x1 is equals to 2 and x2 is equals to 0.99998. okay, and in the case 4, the values are x1 is equals to 2 and x2 is equals to 0.99998. so we can conclude that the interchange of equation does not affect solution of case 3 and case 4. So we have done with the question, and thank you.